Hello, in this video I want to show you all available gestures and motions on Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. And to do this we'll need to go for settings and find advanced features somewhere at the bottom of the page. Here you can look for motion and gestures, and now you can see them all. So let's check how they work, and the first one is lift to wake. If you enable it, unlock your phone, then place it on a surface and try to pick it up. It should wake like this. Next are the two functions that work the same almost. So the double tap to turn on screen and double tap to turn off screen. Now if we lock our device and double tap, it should wake up. Double tap again to lock it. Next function is keep screen on while viewing. So this feature I can't exactly show you if it works, but if you enable it and keep looking at your screen, it should never lock or time out. Next one, alert when phone picked up. If you enable it and receive any calls or messages while your phone is locked and placed somewhere and you miss them, next time you pick it up it will vibrate to inform you that you received a call or a message. Next one is mute with gestures. If you enable it, you can place your phone upside down like this, and then it should mute all incoming calls. You can also use your hand like this to mute the call if you don't want to press any buttons for that. Last is a palm swipe to capture, and that's a screenshot feature. So if you place your hand like this in a palm gesture and then swipe it across the screen, it should make the screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.